The Shoaib and Sania controversy turned murkier with the Pakistani cricketer claiming he was emotionally forced into the Nikah with the Hyderabadi girl, but said that the marriage was invalid as her family had cheated him and ruled out divorce.
I think निकाहनामा जो है वो बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है. So it's a legal thing. Just prove it. Then I'm here. Then I will answer all the questions. Just first prove it. I'm here.
Sania and Shoaib's romance had turned into a legal nightmare for the Pakistani cricketer after he was accused of marrying and dumping Hyderabadi girl Ayesha Siddiqui without a formal divorce. Shoaib had all along denied the charges and claimed that it was Ayesha who actually cheated him by fooling him into a phone marriage, after sending photographs of some other woman.
That lady, I don't know her exact name, what should I call, Ayesha, Maha, I don't know, but why she's making statements behind the camera? Where is she? I am standing here making my statements. Where is she?
However, after weeks of controversy over his first marriage to Ayesha Siddiqui, Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik signed divorce papers on Wednesday, following which the police complaint against Shoaib has been taken back by Ayesha.
The divorce community elders have decided has been settled and done.
There has been no monetary settlement in the divorce deal, besides the maintenance amount of Rs 5,000 per month for a period of 3 months as per Islamic law.
No conditions, और ये है कि जो भी version, yeah, maintenance only, 15,000 for maintenance for 3 months at the rate of 5,000 rupees per month.
Ayesha Siddiqui, however, still did not appear before the cameras. The only mention of her was when her mother said that Ayesha was relieved.
Ayesha is relieved and very happy. Very happy.
Looking at the brighter side of the story, which is that there is no hurdle in Shoaib and Sania's way anymore, and the couple is set to get married on the 15th of April. Shoaib's fans, after waiting for days, are all set to celebrate and await the Indian bride to reach her new home soon. Ebad Ali, DawnNews.